Welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to change your country of residence on YouTube. To be able to change your country of residence on YouTube, you'll be able to do this only on the YouTube web. You cannot do this on the YouTube app. So I want you to go to your Chrome or your Safari browser. Just type in www.youtube.com and it will log you in. You just have to put in your Gmail that is associated with your channel and it will take you to this YouTube homepage. So this is the YouTube homepage where it will bring you to. So what you just have to do on here, I want you to check the bottom right corner. You're going to see your profile over there. Tap on that profile. So once you tap on that profile, it will load up this page for you. On this page, under your name, which is Finance Empire, if you check closely, you are going to see view channel over there. So I want you to tap on that view channel. So once you tap on that view channel, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on customize channel here. So once you tap on customize channel, it will take you to your YouTube channel, to your YouTube studio. So guys, this is our YouTube studio where it will bring you to. So once it brings you to this page, what I want you to do here, if you check the bottom left corner, you are going to see a settings icon over there. So I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, it will load up this, it will pop up this page for you. So on this page, if you check the left corner, you are going to see some things written over there. So I want you to select channel. So once you select channel over there, it's going to pop up something for you again. If you check the right side, you are going to see country of residence. So I want you to tap on that country of residence. So once you tap on the country of residence, you just want to choose the country you want. And once you are done, you tap on save at the bottom right corner and your country of residence will be changed to what you want successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your country of residence on your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.